When you begin the iExcel factoring assessment, you will be using the recording sheet that I provided. And as you go through, you will write down every question. So for instance, if the very first question you got was x squared plus 7x minus 18, and you factored it, x plus 9 times x minus 2, and when you hit enter, you would see that it was correct. So there is no correction in this case. All right, and then you just go to the next one. So number 2, and if the question was 16x squared minus 25, and then I'm just going to pretend like I made a mistake here. So if I said, okay, and I typed in, this is 4x minus 5 times 4x minus 5. Once I hit enter, it's going to tell me that it's incorrect. So that's why there's enough room for you to do the correction to the side. And you'll just say, this is a difference of squares. And the correct answer should have been, you put a strike through the incorrect one, 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. Do not erase the incorrect work. I need to see both, and I've given you ample amount of space. And so then you go to question 3. Even though you made a mistake, you still keep going 3, 4. This is how I want it numbered. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you go to the next page. Okay? If you have any questions, please just email me, or if you really are completely confused about how to do it, then I would set up a Calendly help session with me so that I can go over this with you individually. But do not skip any questions, because I will be printing out everybody's report from iExcel, and it will list the questions. This was the first question. They number it. So your numbers should match their numbers, okay? And if they don't, then I'm going to take off credit. So please make sure and that you are making corrections when you need to. The goal is to get to 100. But if you get into the 90s, that will earn you an A, okay? So it's up to you how much you want to challenge yourself.